Hello dear students, in today's session I am going to highlight some important aspects related to William Shakespeare's Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar is a history play and Julius Caesar is also a tragedy set in Rome. This play was first performed in the year 1599 at the Globe Theatre in London. Now remember, William Shakespeare had written his plays in order to be performed on the stage. And this play is about the events surrounding the 44 BC assassination of Julius Caesar. Learn the spelling of assassination and use this term in your answers. जूलियस सीजर कौन थे? जूलियस सीजर एक रोमन जनरल एंड स्टेट्समैन थे और एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी, एक षड्यंत्र रचा गया था जूलियस सीजर को मारने के लिए. What is the title of this play? We all know this is Julius Caesar. And is this title appropriate? There is a controversy regarding the appropriateness of the title. In this play, we have Julius Caesar murdered and we also have Julius Caesar's murder avenged. Therefore, according to me, Julius Caesar is dominating and his influence continues throughout the play. उनको मार दिया जाता है, फिर भी उनका जो influence है, उनका जो presence है, can be felt despite his assassination throughout the play. और एक important character है इस play में, Brutus. Brutus एक tragic hero है और वो एक tragic hero क्यों है अब हम देखेंगे, मगर title Julius Caesar appropriate है. Who is the real hero, Julius Caesar or Brutus? We know by now that the death of Julius Caesar is an important point, is an important aspect of the plot of this play. But we cannot consider the spirit of Julius Caesar as a real hero. Therefore, Brutus is a tragic hero और Brutus में tragic hero बनने की जो qualities है वो सब है. Brutus is a great leader. Brutus is a noble man. He is an honorable Roman. और Brutus के अंदर एक conflict है. He loves Rome and he also loves Caesar. So he is with himself at war. And a Shakespearean hero suffers from a tragic flaw. Here Brutus is an impractical idealist. Now coming to the political condition of Rome in this play, the Romans were divided into two sections: plebeians, the working class, the common people, and the aristocrats. The plebeians were fickle-minded, and we will see that in Act 1, Scene 1 itself. And the plebeians were violent. The aristocrats were envious. They were filled with jealousy and they were filled with ambition as well. And there were civil wars in the Roman Empire. And it was the time for the political rise of Julius Caesar. ये क्लास 9 का सिलेबस है, Act 1 and Act 2. In Act 1 we have 3 scenes. In Act 2 we have 4 scenes. In Scene 1, Act 1, Scene 1, we have Caesar's triumphant entry into Rome. Scene 2 में हम क्या देखेंगे? The feast of Lupercal, the soothsayer, Cassius and Brutus discuss Caesar's rising powers. And Scene 3 में we have the storm. A conspiracy is being hatched. Now, conspiracy is being hatched. This expression again is very, very important. Use this expression in your answers. षड्यंत्र रचा गया था और assassination of Julius Caesar. Act 2 में हमारे पास 4 scenes होंगे. In Scene 1 we have Brutus is convinced to join the conspiracy. Scene 2 in Caesar's house, Caesar and his wife Calpurnia. In Scene 3 we have the warning of Artemidorus, and Scene 4 the anxiety of Brutus's wife Portia. Now who are these characters? I'll just name the characters. I'll give you the character list of Julius Caesar, and as we proceed, as we start studying the play, you will be used to these characters one by one. This is the character list, Julius Caesar, and then the triumvirs after the death of Julius Caesar: Octavius Caesar, Marcus Antonius, Lepidus. Learn the spellings. These are difficult spellings, so learn the spellings properly. Who are the senators? Cicero, Publius, then Popilius, Lena. And who are the conspirators against Julius Caesar? This is very, very important. Learn the names of all the conspirators in the very beginning. Marcus Brutus, Cassius, Casca, Trebonius, Ligarius, Decius Brutus, Metellus Cimber, and Cinna. These are the conspirators against Julius Caesar. Act 1, Scene 1 में हमें tribunes मिलेंगे, Flavius and Merulus. So you must know these two names in class 9. And then Artemidorus, a teacher of rhetoric, Cinna, a poet. We have another poet and also a soothsayer, one who makes predictions about the future. And who are the friends to the conspirators Brutus and Cassius? Just go through the names: Lucilius, Titanius, Messala, young Cato, and Volumnius. And servants to Brutus: Conconthe, Varro, Clitus, Claudius, Strato, Lucilius, and Dardanius. And servant to Cassius: Pindarus. Wife to Julius Caesar: Conthe, Calphurnia, and wife to Marcus Brutus: Portia. Now this Portia is different from the Portia that we meet in Merchant of Venice. We also have senators, citizens, guards, attendants, and so on. Now, dear students, just go through the names of the characters, so when you are reading the text, you find it easy to understand what are the relationships between the characters.